A very good morning to you all students. Welcome to your EVS class. So students, we are meeting after a long time and today we will start a new chapter, chapter 13, Simple Machines. So first of all, as we all do, first I will read the chapter. So let's begin the reading of the chapter. Machines make life easier by helping us do things faster or with less effort. A cycle helps us reach a fast place faster. A bottle opener allows us to open caps of bottle with less effort. For a scientist, a machine is anything that makes it easier for us to do work. Levers. You may have used a spoon to open a tightly closed tin as shown in the picture. People use a long rod or bar called crowbar in the same way to open wooden crates or manhole covers. In both cases, our work becomes easier as we have to use less force. So, for a scientist, a rod, a spoon are machines. Such machines are called lever. A lever has a point of support about which it moves freely. This point is called the fulcrum. In the levers shown below, the point marked F is the fulcrum. E is the effort made or the force used by the person. L is the load or the work that has to be done, like lifting a weight or cutting paper. Now next topic is your pulley. Pulleys. A pulley is a kind of wheel with a rope going around it. It is a simple machine used to lift heavy things. For example, it is used to draw water from a well. Unlike levers, it does not reduce the force that has to be used. How does it make work easier then? It helps by changing the direction in which you have to apply force. You see, it is much easier to pull something down than to pull it up. Now one activity is shown. Let us see. A spring balance is used to measure force. When you hang a body from a spring balance, it measures the force with which the earth pulls the body. This force is what we call the weight of the body. To lift a body, you need to pull it up with a force which is greater than this force, that is greater than the weight of the body. Now, how we will weigh a object in the spring balance? Let's see. First, weigh a heavy object with a spring balance, then hang it from a pulley as shown. If you do not have a pulley, you can pass the string over a smooth doorknob or a curtain rod. You will see that the force shown by the spring balance does not change. So the force you need to move the object will not change either. But you will find it easier to lift the object by pulling down the string passing over the pulley than by pulling it up. Now next simple machine is the inclined planes. Some buildings have ramps up which people can push trolleys, prams, wheelchairs or anything heavy. A ramp is an inclined plane or a plane at an angle. So is a plank of wood used to load things onto a truck. An inclined plane makes work easier by reducing the force you have to use. A person has to use much more force to lift a load to a truck than to push it along an inclined plane. So we will do the reading of these two pages today. You also read it in the same way as I have done.